Start your recording. Recording started. Make Alpesoni the host. So everybody is ready with the materials. Let us quickly have a look with.
Ma'am, I have a red color paper.
Doesn't matter. Red is all the more fine.
Ma'am, I can take my paper.
So, bacha, why were you doing time pass? You should have got
No,
your paper. No?
I don't have that paper.
And white.
I have the yellow color paper.
Yellow, white, red, all the colors of the rainbow. You can go ahead and take. I have no problem. Okay. White was available with me.
Don't start it. Please give me 1 minute.
I will give you 2 minutes. Go.
Alfia ma'am, we can
Yeah.
take black, gray or brown because they don't come in the rainbow.
Good man. Okay. So this was my paper. Then sketch pens or markers. Check. Scissors. Check. Glue. Check. Pencil. Check. Eraser. Check.
I have Thanos gauntlet.
Ma'am,
It looks more like SDG goals. The sketch pens, put it like that. Yeah, right. Yes, Julia.
ma'am, I have only black color sketch pens. I took this is okay.
Black is also fine, child. No problem. Okay, black is also fine. I just
have the same sketch pens.
perfect. Perfecto. Okay, so now everybody, you can see the paper. Yes, on
Yes.
my screen. All right, perfect. Now, because I have a big drawing paper, and it is a little thicker, I'm going to fold it into half. Okay, I'm going to fold it into half. If you have a thin paper, still you have to fold it into half. Doesn't matter. Aisha, Aga, you think with that book page, you will be able to make a bookmark? It will not be stiff. Beta, it will not be stiff. Aisha, Aga, do you have a cereal box? Cereal that we eat in breakfast, cornflakes, chocos box hai? Nahin? You don't have a paper, a normal paper? Not the book paper.
Alfia ma'am,
Yes,
this
Umar.
is okay.
Yes, that page is fine. That's A4 size, Umar. Fold it into half.
No ma'am, it's not A4.
Then it's big. Open. Sure.
It's little bigger than it.
That's fine. Fold it into half, Umar.
And we have to fold this paper into half
Yes.
like this.
Yes. Yes. No.
Ma'am, this
Like this,
A4
no?
size paper is okay. A4 size paper. This one.
A4 size paper is fine. Fold it into half.
Okay.
Aisha Kazi, when you've taken a page from the book, I wanted a little thick paper. You know, I had written hard paper or what did I write?
Sketchbook paper. My sketchbook.
Hard or thick paper, any available.
Hard paper or drawing paper.
I have my sketchbook paper.
Is it hard? It's thicker than the normal paper. See, normal book pages are little thin.
I know, ma'am.
No, I'm talking to other children. See, these are thin papers. These are thin
Hold
papers.
it like
Okay?
this or like this.
Okay, if you keep your paper horizontal, you have to fold it in half. If you keep your paper vertical, you have to fold it
Ma'am,
down.
this paper is okay.
That's A4 size printing paper. That's a printing paper. Aisha, Aga?
Yes.
Yes, fold it into half.
Ma'am, how which type is better, horizontal or vertical?
Vertical.
Horizontal.
Horizontal is this, now, ma'am.
If your paper is horizontal, you will fold it like that. Yes. Done. Perfect. Okay.
Can you see mine like this?
Now keep it folded. Yes. Keep it folded. Everybody, chalo, let's drive. Brrr.
With the square steering wheel. Ma'am,
Yes. Square steering wheel. Yes.
ma'am, engine failed.
Steering block.
Keep it. Keep it. Steering
Ma'am,
wheel. Not
engine
wheel.
failed.
Correct.
Ma'am,
Pooja.
your
Okay. Now.
video is paused. Ma'am, your
Mohammad
video is
Mohammadi.
not paused.
શું કરે છે?
The video is not paused.
મોહમ્મદ મોહમ્મદી.
Time pass કરે છે.
પેપર શું કામ ફોલ્ડ નથી કરે છે?
Ma'am, let's sing the exam anthem.
Oh yeah. What is it?
हम होंगे सब में पास, हम होंगे सब में पास, एक दिन लिखते हैं बकवास, सोते हैं बिंदास, फिर भी है विश्वास, मार्क्स मिलेंगे झकास एक दिन.
Hey, nice. I actually know this, but it's good. Okay, now I'll show you a video. Okay, let's see a video and then we will try and follow those steps.
Ma'am, do we need sister?
Ma'am,
Sister?
I'm
We don't need sister. We
Are
need a
scissor?
Yes, we need. We need a scissor, definitely. No sister, okay? Only scissor.
Ibrahim, you have to use
I
Bismarck to
don't
cut your paper.
What did you say?
Baby shark.
You're really
Come
funny.
on. Mommy shark.
I'm
1 minute.
drawing, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to draw with the uncle.
No. No, you don't have to draw with the uncle, you have to draw with the auntie. Okay. We are just watching the uncle right now.
Wow, what a calligraphy.
That's not calligraphy.
It's typography.
That is design writing.
Yes, my task is on.
We have to
Hey, yeah, stop talking. I can't hear you. Okay, now uncle is just coloring. So we'll stop here. Easy?
Making a bookmark, no?
Yes.
But that's not a bookmark.
Hear me out first.
Arey,
Chalo,
Moti,
let's start.
we are going to make a book.
How dare you call me Moti?
I was calling Homer.
Omar is not Moti. He should be Mota.
No.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we are going to make a bookmark on that and we are going to write this font now.
Yes.
Ma'am, I do not have sketch pens. I have only markers.
You do not have what?
Sketch pens. I have marker.
That's fine. Sketch pen or marker, anything. Okay, so come on, let's get started. We don't have time. You see my paper? Yes? Okay. First thing we have to do is with your pencil.
Ma'am, you
You
said
will
to
draw-
fold the paper.
Yes, the folded paper. This is my folded paper only. Okay, Aisha.
Color dark red. How can I write?
With the pencil, the lead will work. It will look silver. Umar, don't worry.
Ma'am, it's a very dark red.
The pencil will still work on that, Umar. Just try. At least
Ma'am,
try.
this much paper is okay.
Sure.
This much.
Ha. Now fold it into half.
This type. In
Yes, yes.
what we are making?
Mark, bookmark. Aisha Kazi, why are you exercising?
अल्फिया मैम के दिमाग में चल
I'm
रहा है
not exercising.
Ma'am, make fast.
तो वर्चुअल मार मारूंगी.
Ma'am,
Make fast, ma'am.
हाँ, चलो चलो.
I was asking Mustafa to give me a pencil.
Astaghfirullah, Aisha. You should be giving him pencil. You asking him to give you pencil. Okay. Ah. You see this? Okay. Then I'm.
How do we have to?
Then I'm flipping. Shh, shh, keep quiet. Then I'm flipping my paper
Ma'am, we have to draw
and I'm
sleeping.
doing a little curve and I'm doing the same thing. Shape of an eye. Shape of an eye. Make the shape of an eye.
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
draw.
which side should we do it on?
Any side.
Ma'am, because we did the paper like this, ma'am. We folded the paper up, so.
So any side you do, Abdullah. Doesn't matter.
मतलब ऐसा outside side here, one side or.
No, it doesn't matter. Do it in the center, in the middle.
Yeah.
See, my paper is opening this way. My paper is opening this way. I did it over here, like that.
I'm like this.
Yes,
I'm done.
yes. Umar, see. I can see and you cannot see.
Ma'am, look.
Of course, I can see that. Yes, very good, Aisha, Qazi.
मैम हम done.
Hamdan, did you fold your paper? Okay. Sure. Fold it properly. Close it to the. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rishda. Yes, Aisha. Excellent. Juveria,
Hold
very
it.
good.
What drawing we want to do?
We want to do this.
ma'am, we want to do. We have to do.
We have to. I know, yeah. Okay. Mohammed is done. Okay, perfect. Now next. Second step, we are drawing the tail of the shark. Alright. So you see this part? This part you see? Okay. Now leave little space over here. This point, come over here. A little space from the point. Okay. And then you make a curve like that.
Ma'am, I don't know drawing so well.
That's fine.
Ma'am, this is okay, ma'am. Anas.
Ma'am, what is the next step?
Next step is the tail. The tail of the shark. This way. Same thing you do down.
It's not a shark, it's a fish.
Arey, we will make it into shark, don't worry.
Ma'am, why you don't become art teacher?
Because I am not good in art.
Good in art. Your shark is very nice.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Mera. That's very sweet.
Ma'am, this.
Oh yeah, wait. Let me see.
Ma'am, I'm done, Fazlani.
Correct. Fazlani, show. Fazlani, hold it a little closer, Naya. How do you expect me to see, Fazlani?
Ma'am, show your drawing.
Yes. Now this part, you see, children, this part, I'm going to erase it off. I'm going to erase this part.
Ma bajai ko rangla.
Ma'am, I didn't make that.
Ma'am, can you see now?
Yes. Fazlani, I can see. Good work.
Ninga koingala.
Everybody ready?
Like this.
Yes, perfect. Now starts the main part, okay? I'm starting with alphabet S. Please pay attention, everybody. If you don't want to mess up your bookmark. Ready? Should I start with S? Give me a thumbs up, all of you. Okay, I have a thumbs up only from Juveria. Yeah, yes, thumbs down. That means I have to wait for him. Umar, thumbs up. Anas, thumbs up. Abdullah, where are you? Don't disappear on me, please.
Ma'am,
Abdi.
ma'am.
क्या है? कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. Make it a little dark. Abdullah, make it a little dark. Dark करके बताओ. हाँ, अब Anas, very good. Very good. Anas, you are closest to mine. You are closest to mine. Yes, Aisha, very good. Yes, Aisha Kazi, excellent. Juvi, very good. Perfect. Yes, Rushda, good work, beta. Good work. Omar, good work. Yes, Yahya. Good work, beta. Nice. Yes, good work. Now we start with S. Okay. Now we start with S. Everybody pay attention. Now you see this part of your fish. Upar se, huh? This part we have to draw a line this way. This way we have to draw a line. Okay. Everybody should do this much.
Ma'am.
Then we take a turn. We come a little out. Okay. And then we go down like that.
Ma'am, like this.
1 minute. After I complete S, then I will see everybody's work. Okay, don't show me now. You just see my work. Everybody has this. I'm moving ahead. Okay, from this tip over here. Everybody should have this.
Ma'am, I'm not able to.
Who is it, beta? Yeah.
Ma'am, look. Ma'am, look. Ma'am, this S is
Perfect.
okay. Ma'am,
Yes,
this S.
yes. Kazi got it right. Kazi got it right. Aisha, Aga, show me, beta. Let me see. I might be able to help you.
Show again, ma'am, yours.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Abdullah Patel.
Abdullah Patel. Yes, perfect, Abdullah. I'm happy. You did well, Abdullah. Aga, show me.
Ma'am, Fazlani.
Fazlani. Yes, Fazlani, you did well. Good.
Ma'am, Anas.
Okay.
Ma'am, Yahya.
Aisha, But it's not
Ma'am.
that difficult. You just have to draw a few lines. Yes.
Anas, ma'am.
Anas, right. Perfect, Anas. Anas' work is closest to mine. Yeah. Mohammadi, show me. Okay. Expert. Mohammadi. Rushda, very good. Excellent work, bacha. Omar, perfect. Perfect, Omar. Okay. Now we move on. We've got S. Okay, we've got S.
Let's see.
Yes, yeah, good work. Now we move on to H. Okay. Now you start from here. This point, little space.
Mom, I'm not able to draw S.
Aisha, should I send you the link of the video? YouTube video? You watch on YouTube and you try drawing it. Yes, Aisha?
Yes.
Ma'am, how to draw a H?
I'm
Ma'am,
coming.
please look at the chat.
Yeah, I saw. Thank you. Thank you, Abdullah.
Ma'am,
Aisha, you got the link?
then
Now,
what to do?
yeah, we are on H. Everybody can see my work? Yes? We are on H.
Ma'am, I can't see your drawing.
Okay, what I did was,
Delta.
now can you see?
Yes.
Okay. Should I move ahead?
Done.
You will be able to do that much? Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see mine, please? Alfia, ma'am,
Hmm.
can you see mine? Is it nice?
Yeah, ma'am.
1 minute. Okay, see this. After that, I did this part.
Ma'am, please.
Alfia, ma'am.
Yes.
Shark.
1 minute. After that, I did this part. Everybody is with me over here?
Yes, ma'am, can you please see mine?
Yours.
Yes. Very good. Color it. Only the fonts, Ibrahim. Color only the fonts and then wait for me. Wait for me.
Wait, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, I am not coloring without you. I will come.
Okay, fine.
I will just wait.
All right.
And I also have some mistakes. I will just correct.
Just rectify your mistakes and Ibrahim, stick these 2 pages.
Okay.
Stick it. Okay, everybody, I'm moving ahead.
Ma'am, see. Ma'am, see.
Okay, I have completed my H.
Alfia, ma'am.
Yes.
This shark.
Very nice. You don't have to draw the entire shark. We are writing shark.
Ma'am, Anas.
Okay.
See, Hamdan Fazlani.
Fazlani, very good. Mohammad, the excellent work. Yes.
Ma'am, Anas.
Anas, perfect. Anas, perfect.
Ma'am.
Omar, excellent. Excellent. Okay, now without wasting.
I'm Abdullah.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Abdullah. Oh, Abdullah, I'm so proud of you, Abdullah. Very good, mashallah. Excellent work. Okay, come on, let's move to A now. Okay, again, we leave a little gap.
Ma'am, I cannot make that shark.
Okay, you just make the normal shark. You've made normal shark very good. Humaira, how about you color it with the sketch pen or the marker? Color it, go ahead.
It's
Humaira.
not a normal shark. I don't write it. It is my book. Ending
Oh.
page.
Okay. So Humaira, how about you draw one shark just like that and color it for me? Yes?
Ma'am.
Try. Okay. Others, are you with me here? Can I proceed further? Okay. Did you see what I do? Do you see what I did? My chicks,
Ma'am,
my
look.
little chicks. Yes, Saisha Kazi, good work. Julie, good work. Shabby, let's go ahead.
Ma'am, see like this.
Faslani.
Alani. Hey, ulta A you made, Halani. Why is your A like that? It should be like that.
Ma'am, Anas.
Show Anas.
Ma'am, see this?
Ah, Anas, very good.
Ma'am.
Yes, Umar, very good. Halani, see na bacha. See, don't get confused. The bottom will be a little fatter than the top. You made ulta. You have to do like that. Now I'm drawing the upper fin, okay?
Can you show the A once again?
Yeah. So Fazlani, what I did was, after H, I drew this line, this part. See, watch here. This part I drew. ये बनाया मैंने. Then I made this part. And now I made the fin, top fin. After that, I'm going to make a triangle in the middle. Indicating A.
Ma'am, Abdullah.
Ma'am, Anas.
Abdullah, bring a little closer to the camera. Ha, very good, Abdullah.
Alfia, ma'am.
Anas,
ma'am.
perfect. Umar, perfect. Better than mine.
Ma'am, I cannot
Yes.
make the
Yeah.
chart.
Ma'am, Faslani.
Okay, just draw fish. Humaira, how about you draw fish? You know how to draw fish?
Yes.
Mamadi, excellent
Ma'am,
work.
Anas.
Excellent work, Anas. Go ahead. Humaira, draw fish, beta. Draw fish for me. Okay, we move ahead. Now is the R. Again, I'm making a line.
Ma'am, ma'am, there is a gap.
Yeah, there's a gap.
Ma'am, my H is not coming in the middle. So, ma'am, the A1 fin and the H1 fin are, malab, A is here and H is here.
Yeah, same. Same as mine. You see?
Ma'am, it will look nice, ma'am.
Of course.
Nice.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the gap is remaining. If I write all the shark letters, the gap is remaining.
No. Wait. Yeah. We are yet to make K. K will cover everything. Don't worry. K will cover everything. Now you just watch R. Okay? Even I thought when first I made it.
Actually, we are chodo fine. That's why it will look nice, ma'am.
Yes.
We are not jumbling up everything.
Okay, then I did this.
Nude.
Perfect. Aisha, Agassi, you got it now. You got
Ma'am,
it. Perfect. Okay. Everybody with me over here?
Yes.
Perfect. Can I move ahead? Okay.
No, ma'am, wait a minute, ma'am. Can I see the R1?
Yeah. So yeah. In R, what I did was I made this line first, then I took this part. Okay. From here, I made a P like jump. I put. Now from the P jump, you have to take and a very small fin. A very small fin we are drawing. Yes. Do you have this with you, people?
Ma'am, the back fins are so tall, so how can we make it?
Fazlani.
No, beta.
Ma'am,
How's the
look.
back fin tall?
Ma'am, look.
Look at
I
this.
see.
Ma'am, now how we will turn
Perfect.
them into the K?
Ma'am Fazlani.
I'll tell you.
Ma'am Fazlani.
Fazlani. Very good, Fazlani.
Ma'am, Abdullah.
Abdullah. Perfect. Almost perfect.
Ma'am, I cannot
Abdullah.
see anything.
Very nice, Rushda. Excellent work. Juveria, Umar, perfect.
Ma'am,
Just
Anas.
with me.
Ma'am,
Anas, yeah, I think you are going to
Ma'am,
make it better than
Rizwani.
me. Very good. Yes, Rizwani Ibrahim. Very good. Okay, let's move to the K. Okay, last part is the K. Leave a little space and draw a line. This way. Yes, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. I left a lot of space. Okay. Now what you have to do is, you see this turn, and this turn. Huh? From there, you have to leave a little gap.
Ma'am, can you do your page a bit in our side?
Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, after that line, I made 2 small lines over here. Up and down. Very small.
Ma'am, look, these lines.
Perfect, Aisha. Aisha, make it a little closer. It should be inside the U. It should be inside the curve.
Ma'am, Alfia, ma'am.
Abdullah, very good, yeah. Abdullah, I'm very proud of you. Very good. Yes. Umar, perfect.
Alfia ma'am.
Fazlani, very good. Very good, Fazlani. Good going. Fazlani ko lambi line marna padega. That's fine. It will look nice. Don't worry. Okay. Now, can I move ahead?
Yes.
Yes. Now, these small lines, now I am connecting it to the fins. Like that. ये जो line, small line बनाया ना, that I'm connecting it to the fin, the big fins.
Yeah, now it's looking like a K.
Yes.
And can you show it?
I'm making a
Look,
fish.
ma'am.
The shark tail कैसे बनाया आपने? Now is it looking like a K, ma'am, of mine?
Yes, now it's looking like a K.
Ma'am, I cannot make that
Yeah, ma'am.
shark tail.
Show me, Humaira. Perfect,
Yeah, ma'am.
Juveria. Yes. Hamdan Fazlani,
I'm
very
starting
good.
now
Excellent
only.
work. Abdullah, very good.
I get
Yes.
it that.
Very good. Humaira. Now, you make the shark tail.
Ma'am, my K is big, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
on the R, do we
My
have to
K
make
is
that
big.
D inside the R?
Yes. Sorry, my bad.
Ma'am, my K is big.
Sure. ठीक है ना बेटा, no problem. Now inside the R, we forgot to make this thing.
Ma'am, I made it from first only, ma'am.
Okay, good boy. My bad. I
Ma'am,
couldn't
tell
make it.
me the shark tail
हाँ Humaira, I have to teach you. Wait. Humaira, see the whiteboard. ये देखो ऐसा बनाया. All right.
Yes.
Then I made it this way.
Yes.
Then the shark tail like that. Like that. Okay. Then inside and then inside. ऐसा. ठीक है?
I don't want to rub this mark. This
No,
mark.
no, no. After you make the tail, then you rub it. Okay. Everybody has this font.
Yes.
Yeah. Now go ahead. Perfect, Muhammad Mohammadi. Excellent work. Now go ahead and color it with the marker. Color it with the marker of your choice. It can be full black. Okay. It can be full black.
Do not want to stick it, ma'am.
We will stick it later, but first we'll color it. What I'm doing is I'm going to make outline. I'm going to give the font outline with black. Okay. You can choose your own colors. No problem. Yes. Perfect, Umar. Perfect. I'm giving the font outline, only the font, not the shark.
Usha.
Ma'am. Ma'am, see like this. Ma'am, see.
Yes, only the font.
Ma'am, like this. It's very big.
Perfect, Humaira, perfect. That's okay, Yahya. It's fine.
Ma'am, show your.
हम उसके बाद क्या करना है?
हाँ, हुमैरा उसके बाद S बनाना है बेटा. Wait,
Ma'am, you can show that paper, please.
wait, I'll share a picture with you. It will make it easy.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, 1 minute.
Ma'am, like that.
Sure. Yes, yes, very good. Humaira, see.
Ma'am, should I outline the shark fin also?
Yes. The fin is a part of the alphabet, no? Yes, then it will outline it.
Ma'am, even the tail, right?
Yes, even the tail. Guys, I did.
Ma'am, see. I'm done.
Ma'am, मुझे वो
Ma'am,
S
that
type
is
बनाने नहीं आ रहा है.
Ma'am, Fazlani.
Ma'am, I cannot make that S type.
Fazlani, very good. Huh?
Cannot make that S type.
So, Mohammad Mohammadi, excellent work.
Ma'am, Anas.
Very good work, Anas. Complete karo na. Anas, complete the entire font, all the font, SHARK. Okay.
Ma'am, this is good.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Now, yes, that's perfect.
Show your drawing,
Now,
ma'am.
after.
Show your drawing.
Now after, you see there are pencil marks over there. Yeah. So once my marker is dried off, now I've given enough time for my marker to dry off. I'm going to erase the pencil marks. Very carefully, do not erase on the marker. It's getting rubbed off. So to avoid that, I'm doing only spaces that are empty and that will not hurt the marker.
Hurt the.
I mean, not erase the marking lines. All right.
Ma'am, this. I've erased it.
Yes, yes. That.
Ma'am is doing good.
Perfect, perfect.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is this okay?
Fazlani, yes. Umar, good. Umar, good. Okay. Now, color it. Color the font. You can put any color of your choice. Okay. Last night when I was practicing, I tried with blue and green. But you can choose any color of your choice. Now this, I did not do it on my own. My markers have dried up. My markers have dried up. Therefore, they gave me this effect. Okay. So there's nothing wow about it. I just tried doing anything.
Ma'am, I was going to do that colors.
Yes. Go ahead. Do not use crayons. Try doing it with the marker. This is what I tried last night. Crayons, if you use, you will not be able to put the bookmark in the book. The crayons will leave their, what do we call it, stamp on the book. So your book will get spoiled.
Gray on red, it's not coming.
Don't put gray on red. Your color is red. You can only use black, Umar. Just like in front of your screen. Full black font. Yes. You cannot give shading.
And can I put red?
Yes, you
In
can.
the shop.
Very good, Yahya. Very good. Yes. Yahya, go ahead. Use any color of your choice. Suggest colors which I can use.
Ma'am, I will do it afterwards because the marker will get
Yes.
spoiled.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Anas.
Ma'am, can you
Anas.
see mine, Ibrahim?
Yes, Ibrahim. Very good.
Full black.
Perfect.
Ma'am, Anas.
Anas, very good. Now, after you've colored it, you have to stick these pages. You have to stick these pages.
Full.
So I'm going to go ahead and stick it first.
At the corners only the.
No, inside the middle part where the shark is there. Only that part I'm going to put Fevicol and I'm going to stick it. You see this? Okay.
Ma'am, are we going to erase the shark lines, the outside lines which you made for the shape?
We already did.
We need to do it, ma'am.
Of course. What are you waiting for? Christmas?
Ma'am, like this.
Your entire shark
Yes, ma'am.
should be covered with, not the back side of the shark should be covered with Fevicol, okay? Spread it evenly and then when you fold your paper, cancel it, it's a stamp off.
Ma'am, can I use this color?
Yes. What's that?
Light pink.
Use now, no problem. Now this page of mine will not open because I've stuck it. It's not opening now. It's stuck. You have to do fast. We have only 5 minutes. Come on. Everybody listen. Let us cut it into shape now. Then you can color it later and complete. Also, post the picture of your bookmarks in the group after you finish it. Hey, Mohammed Saqib left.
Ma'am, why do we have to stick it?
So that it gets a little more thicker.
And we have to cut it in the shape We have to cut it in the shape,
Yes.
square shape, small.
No, not square shape. Now, from wherever my font is starting, a little above that, I'm leaving a little space and I'm just very lightly with the pencil, I'm just drawing the outline.
For cutting it, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to post this on Google Classroom
Yeah.
or on the right group.
Anyway, you can post it on the right group.
Yeah.
This was just a sub activity of the text that we did, non-fiction text that we did on sharks.
And we have to color it.
You don't have to color it. You can color it if you want. It's not a compulsion. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut. I drew a very light outline. I don't know if it is visible to you all.
Ma'am, don't we have to let the glue dry?
Ah, good idea. My glue has already dried up. You can wait for your glue to dry.
Ma'am, Abdullah.
Very good, Abdullah. Very good. Now, Abdullah, what I'm doing is I'm cutting it. What I did was, my paper was into half. Yes. I sticked it. Yes. I put Fevicol and I stick both the papers. Aisa. Now it cannot open because it's stuck. Then now I'm cutting the shark into its shape. I drew an outline outside the text, a very light outline, which will help me in only cutting. Follow the lines so that I can cut it.
No, Anas.
Wow, Anas, very good. See, I cut this much part. Now I'm moving ahead. Abdullah, stick it, na bacha. Put Fevicol and stick. I've already cut the upper half of my shark. Farhana, you want to eat the fish? Sitting with your mouth open. Come on, we have only a minute to go. And then we'll have to end the class. I want to see your final product. Wow, Juveria, very good. Yes, yes. Now, did you stick? Is it a little thick? Yeah. Now place it in a book as a bookmark. Place it in a book and show us. I want to see. Wow, there it is. See, Juveria's bookmark. Ready and already into the periodic table book. Yes? Come on, let me see others' bookmark. I am still on the cutting stage. Here I am like Abdullah's teacher.
Ma'am, I didn't draw it only.
Cutting and drawing very slow.
My hand broke.
Your hand broke? No problem. We'll replace it with a new one. Juveria, you're done, child. You can go. It's time. It's already time. You finished right on time. Bye-bye. Take care. Go. Put a picture on the group. Yeah?
Ma'am, if I cut it, I will make a disaster of it, ma'am.
Take help. See, I've already cut this much, Abdullah, without causing any disaster. I know. I hope you can also do it, Abdullah. Let's encourage each other. Come on. Let's give it a try. Not give up.
Abdullah.
Yay.
Thank you, Umar. I like it so much. Yes.
Ma'am, my bottom part of the fish is already cut.
मैम आप लोग इधर मजे कर रहे हो, मेरे इधर ग्लू के मैम I'm done.
कोई मजा नहीं कर रहा बेटा. Nobody is doing. Oh, very good. Very good, Aisha Aga. Good work, beta.
मैम
Yes. Oh, nice. Now use it as a bookmark, Rushda.
Ma'am, Farhana is not cutting it for me, ma'am.
Farhana is like that only. Nonsense girl she is. She likes troubling people. Tell Farhana Alfia ma'am will cut your English marks if you don't help me.
Yay!
Ma'am, like this?
Alfia ma'am.
Yes, Umar. Umar, you did not cut, bacha. Acha, you colored it.
Ma'am, can you
Okay.
stop share screen? Ma'am, can you stop share screen?
I
Ma'am, like this?
stopped sharing my
Ma'am,
screen.
like this?
Yes, Hamza, very good.
Ma'am, the tail accidentally got a bit cutted right here. But
That's okay. Your shark must have met with an accident. No problem. See
ma'am, look.
the final
Ma'am.
product. Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. Oh my God, it looks so amazing. Show it. Put it in the book again. Show it to me. Ah, it looks nice. Yes. If Farhana helped, yaar. Nonsense girl. Help Abdullah cut the shark. Come on. Come Chamavi and laugh at Toki. Oh, Umema, what's that?
Ma'am, the glue is only not coming out. I'm putting it for so long.
It's okay. So my final product is like this. I'm gonna go ahead and color it. Okay, Rushda has already completed coloring. That's excellent. Yeah, Rizwani.
So much extra.
Okay, bye Rushda. Bye. Take care, Rushda. Bye. You can leave. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I also leave?
Yes, those who completed can leave. Show me and leave.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, Ibrahim. Ibrahim, why did you cut it?
Ma'am, my glue is still wet, ma'am. I just applied it now. I drawed the shape.
Acha, okay. Go ahead, complete your bookmark, shark bookmark, and click a picture and upload it on the group. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Wow,
Ma'am,
I like the choice of colors. Yes. Aisha, can I copy the color choice, red and black?
yeah.
Thank you, Aisha. Okay, and we see Hamza being
Bye,
a monkey and climbing your knee. Bye. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. See you.
Bye. Take care, everybody. Do not forget to post
Bye.
the picture. Yes, I really want to see.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Even
Bye.
I'm going. Bye. Take care.